Okay, hey, what's up YouTube? This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks. I'm not sure what's going on with my stuff, but yeah, I guess there's not going to be an intro this time, but that's fine. We can just do a regular, smegular, degular. What's up, everybody? I hope everybody is doing well today. Happy Sunday. It's a new month, a fresh start. May. We're getting into almost summertime, so this is, you know, hot girl summer. What's up? What's up, Rosie? Hey, Vivian. Skelsky, that's cute. Hey, what's up? MH, what's poppin'? So this is our Sunday live chat where, you know, we're just gonna come talk about a few stocks. I have really, I only have a couple that I want to talk about, and I feel like one of them you guys are probably going to be surprised by, but don't take that one. We'll just get there. We'll get there. So yeah, and then obviously for you guys, if you have some requests that you want to talk about, we can just go over the stock charts. I just need for you guys to put it in the chat for me. All right. So, oh, and you know, I feel like we always have to say this. Of course, if this is your first time watching this video or on our live, first of all, thank you for joining the live, and then make sure you click that thumbs up button for me. It really helps the channel. Also, make sure that you subscribe and click that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video or go live for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that last video I just posted. That video just meant a lot to me, and it was very fun to make. So if you guys haven't seen the most recent video I posted, please make sure you check that out after this live. What's up, Princess Lamore, Lavender, Lil Toby, that's cute. Blaine KK, okay, Jocelyn, hello, Hustler Hard, Alex, Corey, Kristen, Retired Guy 43, what's up? Roman Reyes, KP. All right, so I guess we can go ahead and get into it. We have, okay, the likes are looking cute. We have 26 people here, 21 likes. I like to see those likes match those views. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. So as you guys will see right here, we do the same thing every week. This is going to be TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim, and we're going to be using these stock charts here. Also, I hope you guys watched my last video also with the automatic support and resistance. So if you guys haven't checked that out, make sure you check that out. It's going to show you guys how to put that on your charts. It's very helpful. So yeah. What's up, LCN Moments? That's cute. Flab Black Boy. What's up, Options Me? Yeah. Okay, Pump and Dump. Oh my gosh. Lachelle, that's cute. What's up? All right, Miriam, Coco. All right, hey everybody, what's up? Make sure you guys click that thumbs up. Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna get into the first stock that I want to talk about, and this is PACB. So let's see. Let me put that over here for you guys. And I'm going to pin it here. So I want everybody to know what stock that we're talking about. So this is, let me change it over here. Just give me 1 second, y'all. What's happening? Okay, there we go. You know what happens with this mouse. Oh, okay, and then just a little update with the wireless thing. I checked that out. They're saying it might have something to do with my USBs that I'm using. So I mean, there's nothing much I can do about that. But yes, this is the stock that I'm talking about. This is PACB, and I just want to tell you guys the stocks that I'm talking about, they all have options available. So all of these have options. The prices are usually going to be between $10 and $50. And also there's been something new that I was checking out when I was actually scanning for these stocks. And I'm looking for stocks that have a higher volume on the ask versus the bid. And in a previous video, we've talked about that. Anytime you have a higher volume on the ask versus the bid, that just means that there's higher buying activity on that, and the likelihood of the stock price increasing is greater. So that's why all of these stocks that are the 2 stocks that I've picked out, they definitely fit that criteria. So you see this stock right here. The first thing we're going to start out with is the 4-hour 180-day chart. Okay, so obviously it's been in a slight uptrend for, you know, most of that 3-month time period, but after it hit its high 53, this was back in February, it did, you know, fall back from that, and it hasn't really recovered too much. It's kind of been trading in a clear support and resistance area, which is fine. There's still profits to be made there. So what I did like about this is I see right here that even though we are, like we have been in this recent dip, it does look like we're kind of close here to this top resistance zone. So I would just kind of wait for that and see if this stock breaks out from that. So the reason why I said that is because the way that the stock is set up right now, you have this MACD, it's looking very close to having a crossover. So anytime you have a crossover there with the blue MACD, I say this every week, the blue MACD and the yellow signal, then you'll have the possibility of a price increase. So I would wait for that to happen. Also looking down at the RSI indicator, it is fairly oversold. So even though, well, right now it kind of has had that dip. So, you know, we can see if it will continue on that uptrend, or, you know, just continue back, because it did kind of fall from this resistance point here. So we'll see, is it going to, you know, continue falling, touch that support zone, or fall through that, or is it going to continue going up and at least touch that resistance or higher? So right now it's trading at $29. So I mean, roughly, if it did go back up to that point, you know, you have a few dollars worth of profit here. You can have some options and you know, get some profits with that, or you can actually have those stock shares, $30 a share. I don't know how many shares you can get, but you already know, do the do. So yeah, I like how it's set up like that. You have the clear oversold, overbought, oversold, overbought. So it's just a great setup. Hey you guys, so I see we have 100 views right now, concurrent views. I have 49 likes. Let's make sure, if you guys are watching right now, make sure you click that thumbs up button. So I'm pretty much done with this stock though. Like I said, if I was going to do something with this, first of all, I would just kind of wait, because this was a kind of hard dip. So I would probably do a like a short call option on that. Of course, I will pick an expiration that's a little bit further out. Let me see. So I'll just show you right here. What is it? Okay, it's May. I would probably either choose this expiration of June or September. So it really just depends on the price and the setup with that. So, but yeah, so that's what I would do for that. You guys make sure you click that thumbs up button. What's up, Newbie Life? Okay. Hey, what's up, Mark? All right, so this is going to be our first one. This is from Roman. Oh my gosh, I want to say something from Nikki so bad. Roman. You guys know I love Nikki. Okay, which one is this? Did it repin it? Okay, this is VLDR. All right, so let's change this over here. Let me see. Hold on, you guys. Give it a... Okay, there we go. And then let me change it here. Oops. All right, VLDR. Okay. So, I mean, this stock, it looks pretty cool. It's definitely had some highs and lows, some high and low areas. A high of $32. This was all the way back. This is last year in November though. So right here, right now, it looks like we're kind of trading in between, you know, a little zone right here between this $10 and $15. So I mean, it looks like right now, at least in this month, since we kind of had this dip right here, or in the previous month, we've been trading in between this zone. Right now, it looks like it's kind of hitting this this resistance up here. So it's kind of surpassed this 14 zone. Right now, oh, okay. But look, this one is kind of looking like the setup of the stock that I just showed you with the PACB. So right now, the way it's looking, even though it has kind of hit this previous resistance area, we still have room to grow because of the fact that the RSI is so low. So just seeing right here, you know, down in positions where the RSI is lower, we have room to grow. But one thing I did want to say is you want to use your RSI, or excuse me, you want to use your indicators in pairs. And the reason why you use them in pairs is because that's going to help you find false false indicators with other things. So the reason I say that is, look right here, I will say, even though the RSI is low, I would look at the MACD, and the MACD, it's looking a little bit, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's going to continue doing a huge dip like it did right here. So just giving a comparison when the RSI was a little bit low, look at the condition that the MACD was in. It just had a lot more room for a much larger move. So right here, even though the RSI is low, I don't know if this would be the best time to get into it, but of course, you know, you could have a breakout from that. So I would just see it's fairly low price. This is $13.77. Now, of course, this is all analytics. I haven't looked at any of the fundamentals or news or anything like that. And this does have options available. So, I mean, if you do options, that could be an option for you. And yeah, just kind of see with this stock though. I would see. I don't know if you currently have it. Okay, you said swing trade. Yeah. And I know why you wanted to do the swing trade, because the RSI, but the only reason I say I might not have wanted to do it is just because of the setup with the MACD indicator. So I mean, but you still have room to grow. You still have some room to grow. But yeah, just keep an eye on that. And that is all I have for that, Roman. Thank you so much. All right. What's up, Kings 3 F Light? I love your videos. It helps you learn options. Thank you. What's up, Princess? Oh no, did I not change that? I thought I did. Yeah, I changed that. I changed it. Okay, okay. What's up, Alice, Kenneth, Trisha? Hi, my first time watching. Really interested in learning about stocks and trading. Yes, it's amazing. I was on a Zoom call the other night, and you know, she was pretty new, and she said, what's one thing that you would suggest somebody new starting out? I would say definitely learning the stock charts. That's definitely important, because, you know, if you want to learn how to drive, you have to be able to use the car, navigate the car, and be able to see. So this is your roadmap, and using the indicators. So all of those things are important. And then, of course, finding stocks using scanners and stuff like that. So just little things like that, and rules and stuff like that, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's get into the next one. This is from R Greener, and this is UXIN. So this is UXIN. Wait. Oh, wow. This is nice. Okay, so let me just change this over here. Get everything all, you know, all congruent. Okay, you guys, make sure you're clicking that thumbs up button, y'all. I'm seeing the numbers go up, y'all. I like to see it. Okay, so this is cute. Okay. Now this one, it has had, you know, some pretty consistent overbought and oversold patterns. Now the time frame in between those swings, that's going to vary. It's looking like it's probably maybe about a month or two in between each swing. So right now, obviously, you see you've just had some pretty recent highs. This started back in March, so late March. The price jumped from $1 up to $2. Okay, so that's what, $1 jump, fell down, and now we're at $3. So because of the fact that this was so overbought before, there's a couple of things that could happen right here. It could do something similar to where it was right here. Where was it right here? The RSI is about 50. So it could go either way. And looking with where the MACD is, it could continue going upwards, or it could, you know, obviously it could fall. So for me, if I was looking at something like this, and it did have a recent dip from that previous fall, and it looks like it's trying to continue upward. Honestly, if it were me, I would probably go ahead and I would probably get in there right now, just because of the simple fact that it has so much momentum, and that MACD is looking like it's just going to bounce off of the signal and continue upwards like it did here. When was this? Back on the 27th of April, because there's a lot of volume here. So if you're already in it, you didn't say if you were trying to, he said please, you didn't say if you were swing trading it and things like that, but I mean, just with the fact that it's definitely touching these EMA lines, it's on this continuous uptrend during this time. I'm not sure if this is a long hold though. This would be for maybe a quick little trade, maybe something cute next week. But that's just what I would personally do if I was going to do something with this. And it's fairly low. This is $3. Okay, this does have options. That's cute. It has a few options. Okay, so if you wanted to do some options on here, they're probably, wow, and they're not too expensive, honey. Yes, I would do some cute options with this. This is cute. But that's just me. That's just what I like. But I like that it's definitely doing some cute moves right now. Definitely nice. Okay. And I was from R Greener, so thank you. Look at Roman. He said the stock is hot. I know that's right. Chocolate Drop. This is so refreshing to see a beautiful black woman teaching us about stock. Thank you, Chocolate Drop. I like that. I like your name too. Gotta go do the basics on that one. Yeah. Okay, let's go into the next one. This is from Beverly. Okay. What's up, Beverly? Let me read this real quick. This is from Mitch. Hello, Black Girl Stocks in the room. Let's make money. Yes. What's up, Mitch? Mitch up in this. I'm just playing, y'all. Okay. This is HMNY. Hold on. I'm not sure. Hold on. Okay, Beverly, let me see. This is definitely, obviously this is a penny stock. And the first thing I'm going to say is, I used to, you know, stick my nose up to penny stocks, but since I've been kind of jumping in and out of that Dogecoin and stuff like that, and just trading with crypto and lower prices and just how much money you can make in prices like these, child, I am not tripping on that. The only thing is you want something that has a lot of volume and a lot of movement. So what is the volume here? I always miss the volume. I'm so used to looking on Webull. Where is volume on here? Oh Lord. Oh, okay, there it is. Okay, about 5,000, 27 million. Okay, well, oh my gosh, 119 million? So, I mean, it has pretty decent volume. And even if you're going to look right now, the RSI indicator, it's kind of either way. It can go either way. It's kind of halfway-ish, about high 50s in the 60 range. Obviously, it's trading in between a zone. It's not really, I know you guys can hear my dog. It's not really moving too much in between this price of like this 0.023 and a highest of 0.3. So I mean, it's trading in between the 10-cent range, and it's been doing that, you know, for about a couple of weeks. So I don't know what to tell you on this one. Hold on, let me change it maybe to a bar. Hold on. Let me align. Girl, I don't even know. Beverly, I don't really know what to say about this one. if you have it, good luck. But I mean, even looking at the, well, first of all, hold on, looking at the MACD is looking good. So it's just the price movement is changing not a lot right now. But looking at the MACD is looking good. The RSI has room to grow. And just see what you'll do with that one. So that's all I have to say. Make sure you guys are clicking that thumbs up button. Thank you so much. How much should I invest in chocolate? I'm not sure. That's a good question. It's a penny stock. Yeah, definitely. The hell is that? Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get into the next one. This is going to be from Jeff. Let me replace this. And this is BZH. So hold on, let me fix this over here, you guys. BZH. And over here. BZH. Whoa, this is nice. Now I feel like since I see these lines here, this is something that we were looking at before, honey. So we were looking at this last year, honey. She's been on a roll ever since. She's been going up. Look how beautiful the RSI pattern is. I mean, even though it hasn't been going to completely overbought, because you see these, these dips here. It's not too significant, but when you see a big little jump like that, that's when you see it touch the top, honey. Top and the bottom, ring around the rosy, around the ring. So you see right here, I'm seeing that it's looking like it just hit a high, this high of 22.85, and it's kind of touching our previous resistance point here. So honestly, I would see with that one, you have room to grow. The RSI isn't completely overbought, so it still could move a lot, but just looking at previous patterns, it's looking like it's not going too much further than that. So what did you actually say about this? Hold on. What do you think of BZH? It finally broke over 22 last week, and it's been a possible resistance for 5 years. It has reversed on the penny several times, broke. Okay, so if you're saying 5 years, hold on, let's look back further on this. I mean, it's been going up. It's still a steady uptrend. It's been going up. It had a high jump. This was back in January. It's up. It's an uptrend. It might be something slower. I mean, it was $10 back in November. So, hey, give it some time. But right now, I feel like it might continue on this previous pattern of its RSI, having even the RSI is looking like it's having resistance around, what is this, 70. So it might drop after that and then continue on this uptrend. So if you were going to do something with this, you might do maybe short selling it, or if they have options, maybe you can do a put, some type of credit spread. So I wouldn't know the exact strategy. That would take some time, but I do know, I mean, at least the MACD is looking good. So I mean, if you start to see that curve and then start dropping as it has in the past, then that would just be that doing what it's been doing, just this pattern it has right here. So it might continue that pattern. That's a chance you take. Okay. What is this? Drop frames. Okay. So I wanted to see if it wasn't doing my stuff. Let me see if I can do this real quick. Hold on, you guys. No, it's not working. It's not working with that. So, okay, no commercials. So lucky you guys, no commercials. Okay, let me get into this next one that I want to talk about. Okay, we've been on here for about 24 minutes, so I know I don't want to keep you guys too long, honey. I know you guys have stuff to do, meal prep and all that. So the next one that we're going to be talking about is TRQ. Okay. Wow. So let me change that over here. I'm going to pin that for y'all. I wonder if there's a way. No, I don't see it on here. And let me put it over here. Hold on, y'all. Okay. No, y'all see the like, what is she doing? Okay, so this is TRQ, and the reason why I picked this one is, obviously you already know, it's in an uptrend. This is a great stock, Turquoise Hill. So it's $17.16 per share, and like I told you guys on the ones that I've been looking at, the volume is higher on the ask versus the bid on this stock. So let me see. This is uptrending, like I said. So you're seeing these patterns of it having higher highs and higher lows. So it had this previous recent high of $19.09. This was back on the 9th of April. So you kind of had a dip from there, but it's still touching this trend line here. So because of that, and just looking at the RSI is pretty low. Obviously we have a lot of room to grow, and looking at the MACD indicator, she has some room to make some moves. So we can only hope that this stock will continue on its uptrend. And right now it's at $17.61, like I said, and hopefully surpassing that $19. So it's looking like, you know, each swing up might bring you about $1. So the next swing up could bring us to $20 or $21. So, you know, that's a few dollar difference. If you had an option, you know, then you can do a lot with that, depending on how many contracts that you have, or if you were actually just buying, you know, the actual shares. So it depends on your portfolio and your trade size. And so that's that on that. Okay. Let's get into the next one. Princess said it's a nah. Okay. Hey, what's up, Harley? How much have I made in penny stocks? I mean, I really don't trade penny stocks. If you're gonna say lower priced stocks, that would be crypto. How much have I made in crypto? I mean, I made a few thousand with crypto. I really can't give you a certain number because I really haven't thought about it, but it's been at least about $4,000 or $5,000 in this past month. Just with collectively all the crypto that I have with Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Litecoin, what is it, your Ethereum or something, honey. I got a little piece of all of it, honey. And it's really, and what I really like about crypto is, I guess it's like 4x is 24/7. So literally, you know, you're sitting here right now and you're making money on the weekend. Let me check it right quick. Dang, I was supposed to put this link out online. Oh my, dang, y'all. And we've already been on for 28 minutes. It's too late now. I wanted to put this on Instagram and everything. Hold on, you guys. Intermission. I just want to share the wealth. Dang. I was so caught up. Caught up in the rapture. One more, you guys. Put it on Instagram. Hold on. Hope I don't get a monetization strike for singing on here, honey. Okay, I put it on there. Okay. Post removed for violence. So that's not me. Alright, you guys. So, yeah, so that's it. I was just talking about crypto and stuff like that. So, what's next? The license plate was BZH. Okay. Are we talking options too? Yes. Tierra J, the stocks that I'm talking about, those all have options too. And it's looking like a lot of the stocks that you guys are requesting have options also. So, yes, you can definitely do options on this TRQ. Option would be cute for this. So, this is our next one, CRSR. This is from Masoom. Let me change this over here. Where's my cats? Okay. And one more. Media things to